ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI, a research organization dedicated to creating and ensuring the safe use of powerful AI. ChatGPT is based on a large language model called GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. GPT is a type of neural network that can learn from huge amounts of text data and generate coherent and fluent text in response to any input. ChatGPT is a specialized version of GPT that has been fine-tuned for conversational applications, meaning that it can interact with humans in a natural and engaging way. How does ChatGPT work? Well, it uses a technique called self-attention, which allows it to pay attention to different parts of the input and the output text and learn the relationships between them. For example, if you ask ChatGPT a question, it will look for relevant information in the input text, such as previous sentences or words, and use them to generate an answer. It will also try to maintain the context and the tone of the conversation, such as remembering what you talked about before or using emojis and slang. ChatGPT has been trained on billions of words from various sources on the internet, such as books, news articles, social media posts, and more. This gives it a broad and diverse knowledge base that it can use to answer questions or generate content on many topics. However, this also means that ChatGPT may sometimes produce incorrect or nonsensical answers, because it does not have a way to verify the facts or the logic of its output. Therefore, you should always use ChatGPT with caution and do not rely on it for any serious or sensitive matters. ChatGPT was first released in November 2022 as a prototype that anyone could try online for free. Since then, it has received a lot of attention and feedback from users who have tested its capabilities and limitations. In March 2023, OpenAI announced that ChatGPT was upgraded to use GPT-4, the newest and most powerful version of their language model, which has more than 100 trillion parameters and can generate even more detailed and diverse responses. However, access to ChatGPT with GPT-4 is currently limited to paid subscribers who have to pass a screening process to ensure ethical and responsible use of the chatbot. ChatGPT is one of the most advanced and impressive examples of AI chatbots today. It demonstrates the potential of large language models to create natural and human-like interactions with machines. However, it also raises some challenges and concerns about the impact and risks of such powerful AI systems on society and humanity. As OpenAI states on their website, their goal is to ensure that artificial intelligence can be aligned with human values and can benefit all of humanity. How Apple discovered ChatGPT's violation of its App Store policies. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI that can interact with users in a conversational way. It can answer questions, admit mistakes, challenge premises, and reject requests. It can also help users with tasks like improving code and brainstorming ideas. ChatGPT was launched as a web service in November 2022, and as an iOS app in May 2023. However, Apple has banned the use of ChatGPT among its employees and restricted its availability on the App Store. The reason for this ban is that ChatGPT stores all the interactions between users and itself by default. These conversations are used to train OpenAI's systems and can be inspected by moderators for breaking the company's terms and services. Apple was concerned that its employees might enter confidential information on its projects into ChatGPT, which could then be leaked or collected by OpenAI or third parties. Apple discovered this violation of its App Store policies when it found out that some of its engineers were using ChatGPT to debug code and generate ideas for new features. Apple sent an internal memo to its staff, warning them not to use ChatGPT or other similar AI tools like Google Bard and GitHub Copilot. Apple also removed ChatGPT from the App Store in some countries and limited its functionality in others. Apple said that it was working on its own AI technology, such as improving Siri's natural language capabilities, and that it did not want to compromise its competitive edge by sharing its data with external AI platforms.